So hello you guys. Today I'm back again with another tasty treat and delicious eat. And today we're using something that you probably won't think of as a delicious treat and tasty eat, but it can be crescent rolls. Yes, crescent rolls. So today I'm going to show you how to take everyday crescent rolls and turn it into a tasty treat. I have some strawberry preserves, and I'm using about a half a teaspoon, and I'm just spreading it out. And if you didn't want to use strawberries, you can use apricots or grape, but we love strawberry, so we're using strawberry. And I'm just going to roll that up. And you just kind of want to tuck it. Okay. And for our chocolate lovers out there, I'm going to use a chocolate spread on this one. And the holidays is right around the corner, so this is a really good recipe to have. So you could put a dessert on the table really fast. And again, I'm gonna roll this one up too. And we're just gonna tuck it. And on this one, I'm just gonna sprinkle with a little bit of raisins that I had soaked in apple juice just to plump them up. Please take a moment, hit the subscription button so you could be notified of my weekly uploads of tasty treats and delicious eats. Hit the like button, leave a comment. Let me know which one you like. Strawberry, chocolate, or the raisins. Okay, but remember, this is a tasty treat and delicious eat. So, now this is the tasty treat. Now I'm gonna show you the delicious eat. So these crescent rolls, I'm just gonna take a slice of cheese, and I'm using Munster cheese, but you can use Swiss cheese, American cheese, whatever cheese you like. And I'm just gonna put a little bit right here and here. And I'm gonna take a piece of deli ham. And again, you can use whatever meat you like. I'm gonna put ham on this one. A little bit of ham on that one. And it's actually a turkey ham. And this is just a slice of turkey. And here go a nice, delicious eat. So you can wow your guests. You give them a dessert and a delicious eat. Okay, let's roll this one up. And we're going to tuck. We're going to turn it down when we put it in the oven. And again, we're going to do the same with this one. Just give it a nice tight roll. And we're going to tuck it. Okay, I have my baking dish. And these cook pretty fast, which is great because you want something on the table that doesn't take a long time. So you can have a delicious eat and tasty treat in a matter of minutes. Okay, this is our tasty treat. And you could put them in the same pan. And I love this pan because it cooked evenly and it's not heavy. And to that, I'm gonna brush with a little bit of butter just for our tasty treats. Okay, so I'm gonna put this in the oven at about 350 for 8 to 11 minutes. You can check your oven because each oven is different. And there we go, just as I promised, our tasty treats and delicious eats. Oh, this is so yummy. That is the strawberry one, I can already tell. Raisin and chocolate. So that's our tasty treats. Let me move this over so you can see. And our delicious eats. Oh, they're so hot and delicious. These are the ham and turkey with cheese. So you now have a delicious eat and tasty treat. Please take a moment, hit the subscription button so you can be notified of my weekly uploads of delicious eats and tasty treat. Hit the like button. Leave a comment. Let me know which one you like. The strawberry, the chocolate, the raisins, the cheese and turkey, or the cheese and ham. Until next time, enjoy.